hiking this mountain, well, this stairs, so it's gonna be easier. And well, it's very tall. You can come and check it out. It's very tall. We're gonna be so tired at the end. Well, let's get started.
So this is a little salamander we found along the way, and over there he goes.
So we just went through the first obstacle, which is 1,000,000 steps of stairs. And yeah, you can't see them now. Well, you can see how we got down from over there. So now we need to find our way up to the top, and also now we need to choose which way we're going, the stairs or walking or climbing this. Well, I think we're supposed to go on the stairs. Well, here we come, second obstacle. So the second obstacle, we're gonna need to go through the Pinewood Battery, which is an old battlefield. So let's check that out. Hello, we're still on the second obstacle, but we're about to be taught in even apartment buildings. So let's continue. Let's go on a long cut. You can see we're on the third obstacle trail-ish. You can hear multiple birds around here. And of course, we're now taller than most apartment buildings, but there's still some that are taller than us over there. And of course, we still haven't rivaled the height of the ICC, which is right there. So let's continue up.
Oh yeah, this is our view from the mountain right now. So we can see multiple apartment buildings, including the ICC, and we're taller than actually most of them.
So we reached to one of our points. So this is gonna be the battery, or well, it's a battlefield. So let's go check it out. Oh, so we made it to the battlefield. So this is a place where people used to put down cannons, and then they'll blast it down that way, where the incoming soldiers would be coming out. So you can see there's still a little bit of a slope for the soldiers to roll the cannons on there. So you see here. And you'll see these 3 boxes things around. There were 4, I think. And you can see where the designs that there probably were 5. So these are for air bombs. So the soldiers would hide inside here to prevent any, to decrease the damage done by the bombs on them. But you can see that most of the roofs are already destroyed, and yeah, this is one of the cannon areas. And over there you can see more like a barrack area, or just a line for shooting people. I don't know. Yeah, you can see that in the design here. There's probably another one of these shelters, and if you count the designs, there's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 of these, and even 7 for soldiers to hide in case the enemy drops bombs from above. So you can see that the construction is still actually pretty good, because it's been here for so long. And especially this one, because it still has a roof. Well, while others are demolished or roofless. So let's go check out over there. Unfortunately, most of the parts over there are in progress for reconstruction and trying to keep it from getting less damage. So we're not going to be able to go over that way today, but we can still go onto that. So let's go check it out.
And see that?
So you can see this is kind of like a shooting area and the lookouts, and you can see there's even holes put in here so that the snipers or soldiers can use their rifles to blast at the enemies. And there's holes. There's 4 holes in total, and even one down there for the water if it's raining like right now. So this is just like a shooting area, and then over there you'll see more cannons and even other stuff, but it's we're making a path out of wood you can see over there. So we're not gonna be able to go over there today. So let's check out other areas. Because this is an actual real battlefield in Hong Kong on this mountain right here. It's a real thing, so pretty cool. There are barracks and many other things over there. As you can see, actually small house-like, and more other cannon areas. You can see our over there. We also got over to this, and it's the ends of multiple sewers you can see. Well, we don't really know what it was back then, but well, it's still here. So it is going to be great for covering, but can't say for sure. Okay, so we got to a barrack or living area, and by looking at the designs, you can see that the other 2 areas that we saw up there, they're probably living areas like this, like these barracks. So they probably were destroyed or by enemy or even just by nature. You can see individual rooms being made. And then you can just visualize how it was back then. And there's another one down there. And then a resting post for hikers like us over there to hide from the rain like right now. But we're just gonna keep on hiking. Let's go. On both sides, there are actually bunkers for living again. And these are in better shape because they're placed in a better spot. And there's another one right there. So these are probably for the soldiers for living again, and they can just rush down from the battlefield to get medical supplies or others. Okay, so after you see the bunkers down there, you'll reach up to this area where, well, it's a bit more new, and then you can actually barbecue and have some dining in right this area. But you might want to be aware of giant spiders, which I saw down there. So, well, you can just down here and even up there. Well, the peak's gonna be up the stairs, right to that side. So you can just continue on dining for a little bit of a break and then just go up. But it'll be a bad idea for us right now because it's raining. Well, let's go. Oh, so in this area, you get a little bit of foot massage and bars for you to play around, and parallel bars over there. And you got these rocks for you to jump on. Come on. Yeah. The rain is very big. Now you can see right here, it's like a mini landslide. And you just look down there. We had to take a rest a little bit because it was a lot worse than this before. So we're gonna try, this is gonna be the last part of the trail, and we're gonna try and hike up to the peak, and we'll see you there. I'll make a video. Oh, so we reached a waterfall. You can see it from the heavy rain. It is incredible. Just look at it.
You better get going.
We're gonna keep on moving now. Look at all the rainwater. It's just rolling down the waterfall. Rain's so heavy today. I didn't know what happened. It was so big. Hello, we finally made it to the peak, and you can see we're in a shopping mall right now. And you can look all the way down, and you can even see IFC. And we're wet as crazy. Yeah. You can see all the. So this is what we get after coming up here. You can see there's an entire mall. Well, the other mall is closed temporarily.
Peak
But-
Tower!
Yeah, so this tower we're in right now is called the Peak Tower. It is actually one of Hong Kong's famous places, and you can see it is actually just like a regular mall road. So that's how it looks like from outside. Well, we're wet outside and it's rainy, so we're not gonna take pictures outside. At least not now. The tram's only open till July, so we're gonna find other ways down. We're hopefully not gonna hike down again because it's so wet. And we can go and see what's outside, but let's go check it out. So here, you can see that it's very foggy, and you can see Hong Kong's tallest towers, which is the ICC and the IFC. And you can see the IFC right now. It's the farther building, and the IFC it's too far, so the camera can't really catch it. But it's over there across the ocean. But yeah, you can see a little bit faint bit of it, like right here. And then the IFC is right around here. So those are Hong Kong's famous towers, and you can see the curve up. This is very foggy, so. But hey, we came up here for it. This is gonna be the end of our journey. We're gonna get on in X15. We'll see if we can get onto this one, but hopefully we can. Well, we'll see you next time on Scale Productions. Bye.